We need to find the equation of the lines on our curve. This top one is a horizontal line. Everywhere on that line, the y value is 4. So the equation of that line is y equals 4. Now we need to find the equation of the line that has endpoints -7, -2, and -2 and 3. Find the equation of that line. Find the slope. M equals the difference in your y's, -2 minus 3 over -7 minus a -2. And that's a -5 over -7 plus 2. -7, yeah, that ends up being plus 2, which is a -5. So your slope is +1. So we know that y equals mx plus b. I'm trying to find the equation of that line. So y equals, we know the slope is 1, so 1x plus b. We need to solve for b. Let's use this order pair. It doesn't matter which one you choose. 3 is your y. 1 times x, which is -2. X is -2 plus b. That's 3 equals -2 plus b. 5 equals b. So the equation on my line is y equal 1x, or just x, plus 5. That is this curve here. All right, so let's set up our function, our piecewise graph. So it's f of x equals, well, look at your graph from left to right. So in terms of x values, I'm not going to be able to read that. I'll switch to red. This line has got x values -7 and -2, and the endpoints are included. So between -7, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to -2, this is if, and my equation is x plus 5. And then this piece, this one, it's going to be 4, is that right? 4, where if x, now is this endpoint included on the left-hand side, that one? No. So x is greater than -2. This side over here, the stuff after if, is always in terms of x. So there's your answer.